For regular updates, please subscribe to Smriti's Kitchen. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are making stuffed tomato fritters or tomato vada. I hope you will like this new, tangy and delicious dish. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe. So let's start. We will start preparing the stuffing for the tomato fritters or tomato vada. The spicy, tangy and sweet combination of this stuffing will turn this ordinary ripe tomatoes into a flavorful street food. On a medium flame, heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add a pinchful of asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds and let it sizzle. When the cumin seeds starts to sputter, add 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Let's add some finely chopped onion and using a spoon saute the onions and other spices. We will roast the onion until it turns golden brown. The onion is caramelized now. We will add finely chopped green pepper, grated coconut, few raisins, black pepper powder, very small quantity of garam masala, crushed unsalted peanuts and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime or lemon juice. Using a spoon, mix everything. Feel free to adjust the quantity of spices to suit your taste. Once the fresh coconuts start turning golden brown, then we are ready to add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, salt to taste and handful portion of chopped coriander leaves. Stir well, lower the flame and cover the pan. This will provide some moisture for the vegetables to cook. After a minute, turn off the flame, remove the lid and let the stuffing cool down. Once cooled, I am going to transfer it into a bowl. Our next step is to prepare the tomatoes. Select some medium-sized fully ripe red tomatoes. Clean the tomatoes and then wipe them off dry using a kitchen towel. Make sure you pick firm tomatoes. Do not take any tomatoes that are already soft. Make a horizontal cut from the stem side, approximately 1 cm away from the bottom. We need to remove the seeds from the inside of the tomato to make it hollow. I find it very easy to use the pointed side of the pillar to remove the pulp and seeds from the tomato. You may use any other tools like a spoon or knife to get the same results. I am collecting all the pulp in a bowl. We will save it to use for some gravy or tangy rasam. All the tomatoes are ready. I have arranged those upside down in a plate so that all remaining juices will drain out from these hollow tomatoes. Using a spoon, fill the stuffing inside the tomatoes. Repeat this process for all the tomatoes and keep it ready. The stuffing and tomatoes are ready now. What we want is a nice coating for these tomato fritters and then we will be ready to fry those. In a bowl, take 1½ cup of chickpea flour or besan, add some salt to taste, small quantity of turmeric powder and pinchful of baking soda. Add a small quantity of water and start preparing this batter. Add the water as you feel necessary while stirring. Try to keep the batter as thick as you can, which will make the fritter nice and fluffy. You can also prepare the batter in advance and keep it ready. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Make sure that the oil is very hot and ready to fry the vada or fritters. Dip the stuffed tomatoes into the batter and gently release it into the hot oil. Once the tomato fritters are in the frying pan, they will look very similar to the famous Bombay potato vada. When the tomato fritters are fried from all sides, remove them from the oil and place on a plate lined with some tissue paper. Enjoy these tomato fritters with some chutney or sauce of your choice. I am sure that you will love this tangy and flavorful tomato fritters. As always, I am providing all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below. If you like this dish, please remember to subscribe, press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.